Buenas noches, en el día de hoy presentaremos la información requerida por la unidad 1 y 2 de inglés 1, actividad número 5, su nombre es Abogado Trujillo, código 25546-728. Estadio Olímpico Pascual Guerrero Calderas. Newsbank is a fan of the Cali team. Invited me to accompany into the Estadio Olímpico Pascual Guerrero to see his 10 plane. This play is very nice for people who enjoy football. Is located in the city of Cali, Valle del Cauca, exactly in the neighborhood of San Fernando, in the show center of the city, between 5th Street and Roosevelt Avenue. The stadium is divided into 7 grandstands for sporting events. The South Grandstand, the entrance is economic. North Tribune within a giant screen. Low Air Stand Tribune Air you have a complete panoramic of the stadium. It is a stern rostrum of a preferential view of the stadium. Western Tribune on air are located the same rooms, the son of the reference and the bench of the tombstones. Western Tribune 2 is the most expensive for sport events, and Tribune Occidental 3 are located the votes of the broadcast medium sport. People will come on the placing written June in Joten. Others get angry, are rooted, others are hit and whose look. There is one thing that I really like about this place, and is that you can share with family. Be delighted to the town displays, so invited you to visit the Olímpico Pascual Guerrero Stadium. Finca La Carolina Morales Cauca. Finca La Carolina. This place is very cozy. It is place of rest to share with the family. The people who visit this place have a chalet to rest and relax, a pool for adults to get stress, and on for children they have fun, kitchen to prepare their breakfast, lunch, food and enjoy, day room for recreation and low beach total and share offers to be very close to nature, white havens, the touch of tranquility and rest. Located in the village Cañaveral of the municipality of Morales Cauca, 15 minutes from top, a place which you must visit. Muchas gracias.